What's up guys, you know it's your boy Luci. I'm there with a video. So today I do some gungo soup. So my gungo here, I just wash it. And the chicken foot. I'm gonna put a piece of my corn pork in there. You see me? Not enough, just a little piece. I don't know if I can find the chicken. So see how much spoon I ever use. So I'm gonna piece of corn pork here. See it here. Hardly can come up. But when we see it still. See it here. Yeah. And I put another little piece in there, but see it here. See there. And let it forgive. So now I'll pour up my gungo. The reason why I don't put in the gungo on long time, if you know guys, gungo easy to cook and you don't want the pork and the chicken to take long to cook and then the gungo mash up. You don't want that. Also I put this in there to make it go and cook with it, you know?
Rum goat.
Yeah, just a little flavor. Now I'm going to really do nothing but kind of get a little flavor. So I have my cock soup and my coconut powder. I have everything guys. Only thing I want a little pumpkin in the coconut, but still not have it. You see?
When you have a cock soup and you have something
like that. I have a pumpkin, so today I go match up a thing. Because I would tell if you want to guess. Would tell. So soon be back.
Guys, Luci just started to enjoy it for that video, but we're not going to see it in the vlog before it come, right? Luci a cook. I don't know what is this. Soup, but I cook soup. Pork and chicken foot. So what am I going to do? Make it set up the camera. It's going to be in the vlog, guys. It's going to be a small mega vlog. I'm going to say the gas down. Because the gas been I give it trouble from where there. It has. So you know say the gas are done. I know you would have glad to say gas done. But where it's like I put I think gungo in there. So gungo here. So gungo. So gungo cook I make. So in Ghana shop say in Ghana buy rice ingredients name. I never plan to cook it. But him say I will cook it. So in Ghana shop and buy ingredients there. So you know. Stay tuned guys. So Luci come here. Luci. Guys, me they are showing up. Well, Luci had been a pot and the gas done.
What?
Gas done be.
I almost joke. Oh God, the short fixing of it will be.
The gas done. Guys, me just a showing and said,
then Christmas day we change it.
I don't know, B. But remember said that's purse.
I know say they are leak where they have to fix every minute.
Maybe you pour.
But I don't know why the gas, some of the gas said them alright and something. I don't know.
So you pour to do the pork and something and the chicken food and the gungo that you cook.
I'm going to use the hot plate.
Hot plate, slow be.
That's why I'm still going to use one of them. I'm missing spoil the
go buy one gas.
Gungo is if you cook the gungo, I can't go in the
go buy one gas.
Do I? I'm going to get money. Is that too bright, B?
A joke.
What? So be you turn off the pot, B, you know I'm sitting some.
Go on, but tell me just turn off it since me see it. But guys, I'm going to make Luci do him intro you know, so when I go see this after. We go for this.
So guys, we'll put in scallion and onion. So now I'll show him this. Keep going, boil out.
Luci still vex about the whole soup. Go buy a pumpkin.
B, I can't get no pumpkin, I go out there, so I'm not getting it.
No, but you say you want pumpkin, so go buy.
I like on the super color.
Yes, so go buy. You met me grandma live this morning. You never tell me say you want them to stop there and me pass pumpkin and banana pan road.
So we never call to man. I don't know, I think it's already.
Okay. Well,
it's good still. Me try.
You know what should I do? Buy at least 3. Make the color. Yeah, make the color. The cock soup. Don't you guys? Make the color come up because it's a big pot of soup, so one could do.
Come on, go buy back on down.
Because this look black.
The starch and the gungo. You know?
Yeah. So you probably don't need too much cock soup to give the color different.
I'm just change some to boil out too.
Coconut color?
I know it will taste good, but I like to see
the color.
Yeah.
Like a pumpkin color.
Yeah.
I understand what you're saying. Understand exactly what you're saying, my dear.
Yeah. Some people mix out it.
Whoa, B, you know, cut it properly.
I throw it and make it boil out.
Come to the man.
So,
come in, baby.
One cook and one wash after.
I did see. Get that juk yourself. Dog, where's Blackie? Dog? Hmm?
I go buy the something in your shop so you more you do. I go buy 2 more cocks up so you more you do more.
Yes. Manita it?
Make the flour and put in.
Why me need to make the flour?
Oh, so you just want to stand and look?
I am the something there.
Yeah, man.
I Joe, I will make it for you. You have to clean up back your area though.
Of course,
clean up back your area.
I always do that.
Okay. Pick up on yourself here, guys.
So guys, this is my pot. Gungo soup. Guys, me there say why the soup are the color you like, but like any red pea soup. Me nah remember say. I saw it go look. Just remember say I saw it look whenever my grandmother them boil it. So me there say me want pumpkin this and pumpkin that. I don't need no pumpkin this and pumpkin that. My soup is alright. Just remember say I saw it always look. Alright. And it is alright to me. Just need look a touch up so. You make it go and boil and see if anything me put look more coconut powder. So that I go on, what I go on. So you don't know. Yeah, alright, Lovell put in me dumpling and stuff for me. Come take a shop to see me go buy coconut powder.
Cock soup.
So my first time boiling gungo
soup. Cock soup is not bad.
Yeah.
Not coconut powder.
Yeah, cock soup. Nana.
Dada call him baby.
Hi. You alright? Come give me a hug. Give me a hug. Love you. That's my baby. And that's my wife.
So you're not baby too?
No.
Come here, nice.
You want to be baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Come be it. Yes, you have to make you.
Some of it is funny.
Yeah. So my first time I make you.
Alright.
Thank you.
It tastes good. Real manish water.
And the manish water. Gungo soup, but manish
soup.
water.
No, like without the peas. Like it is.
Adiana, we soon turn on about the tablet. Be a can you get hooked to it so you see my one already.
Tastes good.
So guys, you enjoy them, so them are coming here, so we'll see you some today.
This is not your best one. You see your best one?
Because you want a chicken foot.
Was when your mother.
Oh God, man.
Oh God, that one there?
Bad. When you see tiny carry home, you must know.
That one did bad.
It's bad. Sorry guys, just soon checking back. This girl can't get hooked to the tablet. What's that?
I love him awesome. Girl said that's how when you have got me a guy.
Yeah.
Well.
I'll bet I holla in this stop. I can't holla.
I ain't behave now.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Behave,
Guys, you know when they madman they get with trouble, they give trouble and then go a doctor and get them joke.
Yeah.
See Adiana here, if she get her joke, her best baby we ever have.
And then I will still say, well,
yeah, man, now keep on trouble. I was trying to carry her go and she say, well, I'm she get it.
One thing, eat tablet at work, eat and move.
And she love the dog. She love dog. So we get one house now, we'll get her a pet dog for herself. Yeah, Nana? Yeah.
So guys, it's another day. And let me just like show an update of the soup. Put it down, baby. So this is what the soup looks like. It's almost at the end. But yeah. Yesterday Andrew and Jesse came here and them get some soup and stuff like that, but we never vlog it because we did so caught up in talking and everything like that. So yeah. What else? Luci, guys, let me tell about Luci. Luci, when him start vlogging and him decide to him not remember Luci, me have to take up the camera. So this morning we don't have enough footage. Me have to take up the camera. Luci don't like to vlog. I don't know why, but that's how it goes. So we're there this morning, Luci gone. gonna drink some more of that soup there. I can't eat the pork, so I'm not gonna even try to eat it and stuff. Yeah, so that's basically it. But this sweet thing, so we don't have the soup feel like today, so we can avoid the cooking, but no problem. So we can cook and stuff like that. But yeah, hope you guys like, comment and share, tell a friend, hit that notification bell to be notified each time we drop a new video. And guys, you can comment down in the comment section what you guys like to see on the channel, any new content you guys know about that you would like us to try, a new challenge you guys like us to try, anything like that. You will just put it down in the comment section and let us know so we can try it, because yeah, you know, we do challenges, cooking videos and all of that stuff. For the coming of February I want to try a new recipe. So, I'm gonna make Luci try it because me don't want to try it. Yeah, me don't want to try it. Thank you, baby. Me don't want to try it, but yeah. I have to go wash my ear and that stuff. Today's just draining. Me get up and go wash out Adiana, close them. Just finish wash and close them and stuff like that. From yesterday me I wash. Yesterday me wash sheet, Luci did wash for we close them, and then now this morning we get up and wash and close them. So yeah, tomorrow I gonna take a break from cleaning and just left everything for Friday, and then Friday me just do a deep clean and everything like that. But guys, remember, tell me in the comment section what you guys want to see and stuff like that. We know all of the videos them, we know all of the cooking video, we know all of the vlogs them. So let us know what you guys want to see so we can put content out there. You understand? So yes guys, big up on yourself. Me and Adiana go and eat biscuit and drink tea. Big up on yourself guys.